It's November 11th, 2011, and we have a treat. We have the Union Pacific 844 steam train at Tucson, Arizona on its Southwest Centennial tour. We have the large steam engine followed by its diesel electric, and then a whole train behind it on the tour, stopping in Arizona and New Mexico, going on to Yuma from Tucson. Quite a sight. Steam locomotive number 844 is the last steam locomotive built for Union Pacific Railroad. It was delivered in 1944. A high-speed passenger engine, it pulled such widely known trains as the Overland Limited, Los Angeles Limited, Portland Rose, and Challenger. When diesels took over passenger line duties, number 844 was placed in freight service in Nebraska from 1957 to 1959. It was saved from being scrapped in 1960 and held for special service. The engine has run hundreds of thousands of miles as Union Pacific's ambassador of goodwill.